sorry.
It's okay. Oh.
I fall down.
Don't go.
Throw all of the windows.
Sit down ka lang. Sit
Oh,
down.
you're sad.
Very good.
Ouch!
Oh, hurry na.
That's a container. If
Ayusin
you
mo.
step in the container, you will get hurt. That is dangerous. So many fuels.
Oh, one more.
One more fuel. Step. Let's remove the cover. You will put the white fuel in the cover.
Hey, that's your bulok pillow. Good
Mom?
job.
Mom, can you wash your white fuel?
Ah, you want me to
To
wash
wash.
it? Okay, next time we will wash your bulok pillow. Okay po?
Okay, Paul.
Because it's baling. Your pillow is baling na. Let me see. Let me see your pillow na mabaling. Na bulok.
Smell it, Mommy.
Ah, it's so bulok. I don't want to smell it.
Smell, Mommy.
Smells baling. It smells baling, your pillow.